right, team, this is the main floor. We need to set up the staging area right here before the heavy equipment arrives tomorrow.
The alignment on this connection is off. See page 42.
But the tensile strength seems adequate.
It is, but the vertical must be precise. I've logged the discrepancy.
Okay, pull it tight to the next marker.
All right, I'm starting the next section of the grid here.
Slow down on the left side. All right, easy now, easy.
Bring that hose over here. We need more on this side. Keep it moving.
Un poco más a la izquierda, despacio. Ahí está bien. Aprieta.
Hold it right there. Let me check the level. Looks good, boss. Okay, looks square. Send it. Check the alignment right there. Okay, I'm lined up.
Let's get the screw gun on it.
Easy, easy. Watch the mezzanine.
We have it aligned. Lower it 6 inches.
All right, secure the panel. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the corner on your side. Looks good right there, easy now.